Good morning. If you remember my post from last week, I was on top about that side. I was on top on the ridge when I spoke about the two valleys splitting with the river down. I'm more off into the valley. I found this bush trail going into the bush. You can hear the birds, you can hear the stream. The stream water is now closer to me, just down here. There's another gully. So now I'm gonna explore more to the bottom of that vereen, that valley.